Thank you for choosing us for your appliance needs. We're proud to offer a delivery service that goes the extra mile to ensure the integrity of your new appliance and to make the experience easier for you. Follow these 4 easy steps to make sure your refrigerator delivery goes smoothly. First, walk the path of delivery, starting from the area where the delivery truck will park all the way to the installation site. Clear any debris, including furniture, leaves, or snow along the path to the door. Measure any tight areas you come across, especially doorways, stairs, and kitchen islands. Next, measure the height, width, and depth of your installation site and confirm your new appliance will fit. Third, make sure there is a 110-volt 3-pronged outlet within 5 feet of the refrigerator. Finally, acquire all necessary accessories. For refrigerators with ice or water dispensers, you must have an existing water line with a shutoff valve located within 4 feet of the refrigerator. This may require the help of a licensed contractor. Also, you must have a new water line, as we cannot install your refrigerator using old equipment. Need to get rid of your current refrigerator? Ask your dealer about safely recycling old appliances. Once you complete these steps, you're ready for delivery. Your delivery team will level your unit and remove the box and packing materials. We'll see you soon.